Alright, so here we are today. We're actually going to be continuing on the Chimera Customs Bronco that's been here. We have been working on it. I believe I have a few videos or maybe some photos that I'll be including in this, where we're putting down all the carpet jute in between the little ribs and stuff like that. We also got all of the carpet jute down in the front and some felt laying across, that way it can level out even the minor little welds or anything like that, so that way it's perfectly flat. I mentioned before that we're going to be using Relicate Leather's square weave carpet. It is the brown square weave, pretty popular. But as of right now, I have the time lapse recorded, which will be right after this, of me kind of patterning out and planning out all the carpet. You can see here that I actually have a drawn out, like on paper, so that way I know exactly what we're going to be looking at. Of course, I have Lance to help me with all of this. It's not, I'm not I'm not the one kind of designing any of this. I'm just working on it. But Lance is now going to have me start laying the pieces that I make on the carpet in there after this. So here is the time lapse of me doing the carpet. Alright, so got the carpet all drawn out, as you can see, and then cut out in the time lapse. I have it laid out right here. I have my floor plan here. I'm going to be gluing down, and you can see it's already kind of started here. That's why I wanted to make sure I grabbed the camera first. Got that glued down. We've got one of the pieces here. We're going to start gluing these pieces in, getting them fitted. And then we'll go from there, so you'll kind of see this time lapse right here. Alright, I hope you've all been enjoying these time lapses that you've been watching. These do kind of go from day to day, so they're not every day the same thing over and over again. What I'm going to actually work on right now is the side of the hump right here where the gas nozzle comes down behind here. We'll make a panel for that out of this, and that'll get bound, and then we'll start making the tops of these. As you can see, there's already a line drawn, and that'll be the next time lapse that you watch. So thank you for watching. Okay everyone, so I didn't realize that my phone had died. I was in the middle of kind of recording stuff. As a matter of fact, it should kind of cut off right when I was finishing the fuel nozzle carpeting area. And then I went on to actually making the tops of the humps, like the piece that's going to be bound and everything. As a matter of fact, I am at this point here where it's already taped off, this is already bound. I'm getting ready to glue both sides and stick it. You can actually see over here the same exact thing. We have it fit, we have it taped, and then we're going to glue it. So here's that. Alright, so we're getting down to the nitty gritty here. We're going to be making the two panels that go here and here. So we're going to have two separate pieces here. There'll be a bound edge. And then that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to cut it out of material. So here's the time lapse. All right, everyone, so it's another week here at the shop. We have the Bronco carpet all installed and ready to kind of get put back together, which is what Rudy and I are actually going to start doing right now. As you can see, we got everything done and bound. Everything's done over here. Everything's ready to go. So we're just going to start bolting in the seats and everything and get it ready to ship back out. All right, so here's that time lapse. So, whoo, that was quite a time underneath there. Bolting in all those bolts and nuts and everything. We're almost done with this. Let's turn that fan off, it's pretty loud. We're almost done with this. Here, we gotta route that wire to the speaker box, wherever it's at, boom. We gotta route that wire to the speaker box underneath that carpet. Did not know that kind of ran like that, so we gotta fix that real quick before we send it out. But everything is done, everything is put in. We gotta, obviously make the finishing touches here. But it's really, really nice to see something like this come together because, wow, what a project it was. So, with that being said, here are some before and after pictures, as well as a bunch of time lapses and cool videos of us kind of working on this entire project. Again, this comes from Chimera Customs. Go over to Instagram and Facebook, go like their page. If you are looking for anything very custom like this, they always build these Broncos. They have so many that they've built. Go ahead and give PJ a call or message on Instagram. I'm sure it'll be fine. But yeah, so here it is. So let's check these photos out. Thanks for watching.